Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, June 15th, 2023. I am here at Marsh Landing Marina, and this is the Viaggio Tritoon. I'm not quite done with it yet. It has been estimated to take about 2 hours. That's what I was told before coming out. I did want to give you a little update. I can definitely get the hard growth off within that 2 hours. But I do want to let you know, these aren't barnacles. This is more so oysters and more so mussels. So these, they do come off in clumps, which is good, but they leave a residue that is very hairy and it's very hard to get off. So at the sake of making it for the 2 hours that you were estimated and to not take off too much of your bottom paint, I do want to show you what I'm talking about. But I mean, if you want us to come back out here and get this off, we probably can, but it might take us a few more hours to get it off. But here, let me show you what I'm talking about. So right now I'm going to go ahead, this is the last pontoon that I have for the boat. I'm going to go ahead, get the water line, get all the hard growth off, and then I'll go ahead and do a video for you. And then I'll have Dane send them all over to you, and then we can go from there.